You want to tell Dora what to do? Go up in the air and fly and take
the binky
Take the binky to the binky fairy.
Gracie, if you're going to make her stop, please stop.
Hey, tell her, Blythe. Say, Map, do you know how to find the binky fairy?
Do you know how to find the binky fairy?
He knows. He does? He said yes? All right. Okay, Blythe.
Let Blythe let go of it.
I will.
Gracie, I'm not going to tell you again.
This makes Mommy so proud of you. Here's your binky. You want to give it a kiss? Tell it bye. I love you. Okay, you hold on to it. Hey, when you're ready, let go of it, and it's going to go up into the air to the binky fairy, okay? Okay, go. Let go. Here it goes. Here it goes. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. There it goes.
Climb,
Take it,
climb.
Dora, to the binky fairy.
Take it, Dora.
We're going to have some problems.
Take it, Dora.
Take it.
Take it way far.
I don't know if it's getting enough elevation.
Greg, take it way far to the binky fairy.
Right now. Right now.
Go, Dora, go.
It's kind of stuck in a hanging pattern.
Hey, videotape her.
I can still see.
Take, go, Dora.
Go, Dora, go. Go, Dora, go.
You let your binky go. Big girl.
There it goes.
Good. Mommy's so proud of you.
Big girl. It's still there.
Yeah, keep watching it.
Yeah, I'll be right down. I'm in the middle of something.
Can you still see it?
Fly up in here.
Come here.
See,